Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Okay, let's check out this bag here and see what's inside. It's gonna be fun and exciting because I see something on the outside that caught my eye. That's right. This one is because, well, I guess they're just heat sealed shut. This one is because of this Cookie Monster toy. I am a sucker for the traditional toys from the Sesame Street characters. And here it is. This is the one that got my attention. It is a Cookie Monster fire truck. Look at this, guys. He's in there resting comfortably in the fire truck. This comes from Tyco. It is 1993 Playtime Incorporated, made in China, Jim Henson Productions. Now, there is some sort of electronic gizmo on the bottom. So I'm going to try and see if the batteries can be replaced. I'm guessing this little screw removes the battery compartment. I'm just guessing. It is a wild guess. It might be a way to dismantle it, but let's see here. Hold on. There might be, again, a door. I think there's a door here. Hold on, let me get a pair of pliers. I think you have to kind of grip it a little bit. There it is. Ah, so stupid. Oh, this is awesome. Wait just a second. I thought I was going to get stuck with button batteries, but check this out. It has button batteries, but it's in a little kind of a tray that you can take out and put in double or AAA batteries. This is pretty clever. I think it's probably cheaper for them to do these little button batteries. So now, double A batteries. So now let's see what this little guy does with a couple of fresh AA batteries. Let's go ahead and shut the door again. This is exciting. I didn't think I'd get this excited about this little gizmo here. But that's the fun and excitement of grab bags. It's like Forrest Gump's mom used to say, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. I think that's what she said. But here it is, okay. Does it do anything? Oh. Nice! That's pretty cool. I think you just roll it. If you roll it like this, do you squeeze it? Is it a squeeze? Hang on, let me try. It did once. What's in there? That's weird. It's got this little thing up here. I'm kind of concerned about that. Let me try it again. There it goes. Nice! So there it is. There is my my treasure. This is the treasure here, so I'm going to keep that right there so everyone can see it when we're doing the rest of the bag. Now, what else is in the bag? That's the fun of it, is to get into the bag. I have a whistle flyer. Oh. Okay, now everyone quiet. Ready? Kind of whistled. Not real well. But there it is. I've got a... What is this? It looks like some sort of a gizmo that you... Oh. It is a pole spray. You know, frankly, I don't even think this is a toy. I think that, I think this is something that was made to look like a toy. It looks brand new. I hope it is. But it looks like you stick this little gizmo into something and you just pull this and squirt the water. That kind of goes with the fire truck, I think. Let's see. It has... Oh, by the way, I paid $2.99 for this bag. Okay. In addition to that, I got a bright orange back scratcher. That oh, wow, that actually does pretty well. Yeah, that's good. I think I'm going to use that. That's a bright orange back scratcher. That's going to come in handy, actually, because I use orange for my my shows here. Very nice. Very nice. Bright orange back scratcher. Let's keep that with the area there. Okay. And then I got a bunch of animals here. I got a dragonfly. I got some barnyard. I got some dinosaurs. Let's do there. There's a dinosaur there. A dinosaur there. Another dinosaur there. Let's see. Hold on. I got a frog in my throat. There. It's a frog in my throat. Does he squeak? I don't know what he does. He's missing eyes. That's kind of creepy. But I got a whole bunch of dinosaurs there. I got a hippopotami. I got a snake. I've got some more dinosaurs. Basically, I got a whole bag of goodies here, of little plastic toys, enough to do a very exciting display. I've got, I don't know what he is, little dinosaur there, kind of doing this thing. We have a lot of fun stuff. So this, I think, was a very cool grab bag. All these little dinosaurs here, and the fire truck, just like that. The back scratcher, and the pump sprayer, which we'll have to try at a different time. Hey, I hope you had fun with this episode of Grab Bag Special. And we're going to have another one. There's a horse there. We're going to have another one very soon, and hope you come back for it. There's a dinosaur here, but he looks like the one from Toy Story. Thank you very much for coming along. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, and we'll get you some updates. And again, this is the DIY Magician with the Grab Bag Special. Until next time. Bye-bye now.